Hey guys, it's Fatal Housewife, and this is my bike check. It's a 2011 Garrett Reynolds 20.5 inch matte black. The frame is approximately about 5 pounds, so 2 ounces. It's full chromely frame, nice matte black. I got the full chromely tapered forks. For the rims, I got Alienation. Front is a PBR front rim, Alienation. Back's a black sheet. For the hubs, they're sealed 3/8 front and 14mm back. I got 3-piece crankset, 175mm. Pretty good for me, I guess, because I'm only like 5'8". It's a 25 tooth. Handlebars are full chrome clearly, but I'm getting, what are they? Alienation New York City. They're 8.5 rise by 27 inch width. For grips, I got Animal Edwin grips. They're absolutely shitty. Hate the plastic bar ends. I'm gonna get some ODI long necks with some metal bar ends. For the stem, I got aluminum front load. It's alright. It's quite heavy in my opinion. Pedals are Twisted Odyssey. They're absolutely crap. I've already cracked 2 of them. So I'm gonna get some Colony pedals because those supposed to last a long time. I got McNeil seat. Comfort seat. It's pretty nice. Yeah. I know you love my sticker. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I got I think that's an animal seat post. I got a Purple Salt half-link chain. I like it a lot. It's pretty strong and pretty thick. I got the Animal Edwin pegs with the sleeves. They're the blue ones. I got the sleeves so you don't have to grind, like when you're grinding ledges and stuff on the street, you don't have to like wax it. The rubbers I don't really like that much. I'm getting the, what are they? ASM Animal ones. They're the slicks. They look a lot better too. What else am I getting? Alienation bars. Besides that, I think that's all I'm gonna get. Oh yeah, pedals I'm gonna get. Colony already said that, but other than that, I like this bike. And here's the hub sound. One sec. Here's the hub sound. Thanks for watching and subscribe.